What's going on, people? I'm back with another video. Today I'm out on the new whip, testing out the new pedals. We're hopefully going to start a brand new trail in the local. Made a little start, no one's here yet, but thought I'd make a little start. Second update on the trail. Stu's now here. Wind's still absolutely atrocious. Don't know how it's going to sound, but the trail's coming along. We made a good start. It's looking good. And it both feel. Quick update on the trail. Still got some crazy wind, but we definitely made a good start. Got a little take off here to get a little bit of speed. Can't really see that on camera, but Stu's loving it. Still just me and Stu. Curving off now into the downhill, and then thankfully we've got some trails that just haven't been touched for a while. We're going to sort of use some of them as well. Loving it. Probably can't hear me because of the wind, but now taking the first go on the run just to check how it's rolling. Probably pretty soft. Loving it. Just having another go with a bigger run up. Yeah, still super windy. Trail's super soft at the minute, so it's not running very fast, but just testing out the bends, the corners, bits we've done. Loving it. Another quick run. Gonna try not to pedal on it too much this time, just see what it's flowing like. Probably pretty slow. Oh, I nearly stopped there, had to put some cranks in. Yeah, that's a lot better without that.